Hi, sorry to hear about the problem with your Samsung washing machine, WD0754W8E. That's the number you sent me in the email. Now, this number didn't go into our system, so I haven't been able to get you the workshop manual, but I have put a link on the page that I've created for you, not only to all spare parts for this machine, but also to extra videos that may be able to assist you. HE2 error code relates to some fault with the heating circuit on the drying side. Now, this could be an open circuit element. You are able to test that with a multimeter, and you'll also be able to use Ohm's law calculator to work out the value of the element. Because I haven't got the correct model number, I can't tell you what wattage the element is. There will also be a couple of NTC sensors up there, and also possibly some Oneshot thermostats. Oneshot thermostat is a thermostat where if it went over the temperature range, would go open circuit and stay open circuit. This means it needs to be replaced. But the way the washer dryer works is one of the water valves on the bank of water valves is designed to trickle water down the condensing plate at the back. Now, when the hot air with moist water hits the trickle of cold water, it condenses against this, and the pump then extracts that moisture out of the machine because it's now turned to water. When it comes to the air circulating within the machine, washer dryers are normally really bad at building up fluff in this ducting unit. So it's worth stripping it down and making sure everything is clean. The cleaner it is, the more it will be efficient with the way it dries the clothes. I'm sorry I can't give you any other further information, but the model number you gave us does not actually go into the system, as I said, but I have put a link to the page that I've created. And if you need further assistance, feel free to use the Contact Us page. Now, I'm also going to add a little bit to the end of this video for you to show you how to use the page and get the best out of it. I hope this helps you. Have a good day. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component. But there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the Contact Us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.